A quick review to the Tmezon smart home video doorbell with Chime. So the whole packaging comes like this. We have the camera with a side panel at the back, easy to mount with only 2 screws, no cables, an anti-vandalism safety feature just here, and then also we have the Chime. This one goes with batteries, whereas the actual intercom has a built-in rechargeable battery, and two-way audio and PRR motion detection. The entire system has the possibility to be included with a SD card slot of 128 gigabytes, is IP65, has a view angle of 145 degrees. You watch everything over an app, so you have the Wi-Fi mobile possibilities, and it supports 2.4 gigahertz system, and as you only need to mount this with 2 screws, you can place the Chime anywhere in a closer distance, and it also has the possibility to be used via the phone charger. You can set all the features just on the top 3 buttons, where you can make different settings to the chimes, louder, and also other aspects.